Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a prom makeup look. Finally, well, not finally, because it's just now about to be March. Yeah, this look was inspired by, I don't know why I always forget the person's name, but I will put her name on the screen. She also has a YouTube channel, but make sure you guys stay tuned to see how I got this look. So we're gonna go ahead and prime our eyelid, and this is the LA Girl concealer, and this one is the shade Cool Tan. So I'm using my 39A palette from Morphe. I'm going to take both of these colors and pack them in my crease, and I'm using the E17 also from Morphe. So I don't know if you're a new viewer or not, but if so, go ahead and subscribe if you have not already. But you guys usually, if you're not new, you guys know that I usually would pack the darker color on with my E17 and then go into my M506 with a lighter shade and blend out the edges. But sometimes when you're using dark colors, it's better to use this brush to kind of buff out the edges so they won't be so harsh, versus going in with the lighter color and trying to blend it out. So yeah, I'm going to still use this one to blend out the edges, but you don't want to take it up too far. That's the mistake you don't want to make. You really don't want to take it up at all. You just want to blend the harsh lines away. So basically, a lot of you guys want a foundation routine. This is kind of random because I didn't even finish my eye. But a lot of you guys want a foundation routine. And honestly, I haven't given you guys one yet because I need to go makeup shopping. Usually to set underneath my eyes, I use my Airspin powder. But lately, I feel like it's been drying me out. Like underneath my eyes, look, I don't know, it just looks really dry. And I just need to kind of get new products and see what works best for me, because I wouldn't feel right giving you guys my routine knowing that it's not like the best. I mean, I keep it a drugstore routine, but right now, like I said, the powder is just, I don't know, it just makes me look kind of ashy underneath here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I don't really like that powder right now. And yeah, I'm kind of like in the process of finding new products that work for me, and then I get you guys like a good foundation routine. So we're using this brown right here on the M506, also from Morphe, to just add some more color. I'm gonna add a little more of the dark brown. I'm not rushing, but I'm trying to hurry up before the sun goes down, because I prefer to take my pictures in natural lighting, and for some reason I've been waiting till it to record. Also, in another video, I was telling you guys, like, you have to use a white base to make your colors, even though I'm not working. This is just so random. But even though I'm not working with bright colors today, you guys need to use a white base to make your colors really show. But honestly, I believe there's something about this brush. And I got this one so you so I can compare them, or so you can compare them. But this one is from BH Cosmetics. And I don't know if my camera is not gonna focus, but this one is like more flat, and this one is like thicker. I don't know what it is about this brush, but you guys always see me packing color on with this brush, and it's just something about this brush. And I got it from Amazon, honestly, and it came in a set. Oh my gosh, it came in a set that was under $10, or maybe $10 exactly, but I'll link it down below, because I promise it's just something about this brush. Like, it picks up color so well. I don't know, I just love this brush so much. I'm gonna be using that brush I just showed you, and I'm gonna pick up this one and pack that all over my eyelid. That's like the perfect chocolate brown. This stuff is probably not necessary, but I'm going to use the E18, also from the Baked Faves, and pick up this really dark brown and put that in my crease. I really think you can skip this step though, because it's going to get covered. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's going to get covered by the glitter, but I'm just going to do it because I did it to this eye. So using the same packing brush, whatever it's called, I'm going to take the shimmery brown, and this is just, I'm just using this one to kind of create an outline of where I want my glitter. And you can honestly skip this step too. It kind of looks like I cut my crease, which is not intentional. I don't know how I always end up doing that. So for glitter, at first I was going to use my NYX glitter. This is just a fine glitter in the shade bronze. And honestly, this glitter is like $6 per thing, and it's not that big. But I was like, wait, I have a mixed glitter, which is from Midas Cosmetics. I have a coupon code for you guys. I'll put it on the screen, but I'm scared I'm gonna just pour it all over the place. But basically, it's a mixture of like this glitter and also this one, which is also from Midas. So it would be like these two combined. So I was like, why not use the mix? Because I really want to do more glitter looks. So it's like a mixture. It's in the shade Toasty. And to lay my glitter, I'm going to use my NYX glitter primer. I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand. To apply the primer to my eye, I'm going to use a M213, which is a small concealer brush. Usually what I use to cut my crease. Okay, so for my waterline, I'm using the same glitter, I'm using the same glitter primer and everything. I'm gonna be using the NYX glitter, which is just a fine glitter. And this one's in the shade bronze. Where'd it go? Oh. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, my edge is pulling. I need to hurry take this bun down, especially on this side. Probably I keep throwing my head that way. And of course, you want to go underneath your lashes. Please don't put this on top of your eyelashes. Pretty sure y'all knew that, but I felt I need to say it, so. So this is my Princessa Azteca palette, and I low-key hate showing it to y'all because it just looks so bad. But this is the color that I use for my highlight on my face, underneath my eyebrow, my nose, and I'm going to use these two in the inner corner of my eye. Yes, I know that's not what this is for, but I just want to use it. Y'all, I really love this brush though. I'm gonna link it below. And y'all be at max spending $20 on my brush. Oh, you can get a whole set for like 10, okay? And BH Cosmetics brushes are really good too. They're a little bit more than $10, but they're not as expensive as the Morphe brushes. And I haven't tried like Sigma. It's a lot of makeup brushes I haven't tried. Pretty much more than half of them. Because I'm the type of person, I'm like, okay, if what I got, oh my gosh, it's not the right brush. If what I got works, then, you know, I just used the wrong brush on my nose. You can see the brown in it too. Okay, so I already got my face highlighted, but you know, there's no such thing as too much highlighter. And oh yeah, I gotta do my lips today, because y'all know I usually do my lips. So I'm not doing anything really special to my lips, because you guys know I don't like color. Really, the only thing that look good on me is like burgundy. Y'all think burgundy? I'm tired of burgundy, honestly, like, you know. Okay, so for my lips, I'm gonna be using the lip liner from NYX in the shade brown. Okay, I'm thinking it's gonna have like a fantastic name, but it's just brown. And then I'm going to use the NYX glitter gloss in the shade Cinnamon Roll, which is just a brown lip gloss. Alright, you guys, so we are done with this look. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel and watching this video. Love you guys so much. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, then what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video.